What is QNET Pro?
How do they rise above the ordinary?
What do they represent?
It's all about drive,
passion.
Hard work.
to achieve.
It's a long-lasting relationship.
Built on trust and honesty.
It's being 100% truthful,
Sharing nothing more.
nothing less.
It is maintaining a reputation.
That thrives on ethical standards.
It is accountability.
It's taking ownership
Of my responsibilities,
Greatness. Start with me.
it is practicing
What you preach.
creating real relationships.
With people who share the same value.
QNET Pro is a responsible business practice.
It transforms a simple sale
To a lifelong relationship.
The integrity
Of all.
always encourages everyone
To do the right thing.
treat their network like family.
It brings out the best in me.
Teaches you how to be patient in the face of
Rejection.
it's leading by example.
Promote
Diligence.
most of all,
QNET Pro allows everyone
to live better
and fulfilling life.